Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Gold Beaver EA for MT5. This is a multi-strategy gold system with 12 selectable modes and a clean rig structure. So let's break it down and check out what happens when I put it through my own personal backtest. As you can see, the EA goes for 450 US dollars. And when we expand this, you can see on the MKL5 page that the Gold Beaver is designed for one-click setup on an XAU USD M1 chart. Defaults are ready to run. It is explicitly not HFT and does not require a low latency connection because trades are evaluated on M15 boundary candles. The EA contains 12 selectable strategies developed with a custom Python research engine independent of the MT5 tester. They are grouped into cons, conservative, fewer trades, balanced, and AGC, aggressive, more active profiles. The developer states there is no martingale, no grid, and no short stop tricks. A stop loss is attached the moment its position opens. Live strategy rank panel compares all 12 modes on the user's own broker over recent periods, and there's an equity curve viewer and live dashboard showing balance, daily results, slippage, quality score, and spread monitor. The key features include the 12 research-derived strategies, live ranking and equity curve tools, simple lot and risk controls, fixed lot or floating percent of balance plus max spread filter, multi-chart safety via unique magic numbers, 5 chart teams, and full MT5 market compatibility with no DLLs or external services. Recommended setup is XAU USD only on the 1 minute charts. $100 plus is recommended for testing on 0.01 lots, while $1,000 plus for full mode flexibility, and any stable broadband connection, no special VPS or co-location required. All right, so let's take a look at some of the screenshots here on the website. You can see the developer provided a screenshot stating 6 years of evidence. You can see the implied growth, you can see an equity curve, and they claim a net profit of over $35 million. All right. So the profit factor here is 3.53, recovery factor of 24.57, and the drawdown was 6.72. Okay, so we see how it looks. But how does this actually compare to my own personal backtest? Like I said at the beginning of the video, I was able to put the EA through my own personal backtest. So let's head over to MT5 and check out my results. All right. So as you can see, I tested the EA. I have EA installed. I used the recommended pair, the XAUSD gold pair, and I used the recommended time frame as well, the M1 time frame. For a custom period of 1 year, I tested from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for a 10K account, my initial deposit was $10,000. The equity curve shows solid overall growth. And as you can see, the net profits was around $54,000 and the profit factor was 3.31. The recovery factor here was 6.96. We had a balance drawdown of 26.40%. However, the history quality is only 24%, as you can see here, which significantly reduces confidence in the modeling accuracy. The low history quality means the results may not fully reflect real tick behavior, spreads, or slippage. The clean rig structure, stop loss on every trade, and no grid or martingale is a clear strength. Having 12 selectable modes and a live ranking panel gives users practical ways to adapt to changing conditions without rewriting the EA. Aggressive modes will naturally produce larger swings, while conservative modes aim for fewer trades. The absence of recovery methods keeps risks transparent, but gold remains volatile and any single position system can still experience meaningful drawdowns. Okay, let's get back to the site. Honestly, the features that matter most are the modes selected, the risk or lot size relative to account balance, the max spread filter, and continuous monitoring via the live dashboard and ranking panel. The research origin of the strategies is interesting, but live verification of your own broker remains essential. As for the nuances and hidden risks, low history quality in testing is a material caveat. Mode selection strongly influences both return and drawdown. Spreads and slippage still matter even without HFT requirements. In practice, begin with a conservative mode and modest risks. Use the strategy rank panel to observe recent performance on your broker and treat the strong growth figures as conditional on the tested environment. Past results never guarantee future performance. Who is it actually for and who should avoid it? This use gold traders who want a multi-mode system with clean risk controls, appreciate built-in ranking and monitoring tools, and are comfortable selecting and switching strategies based on recent conditions. You should probably avoid this EA if you prefer a single fixed logic, cannot accept drawdowns in the mid to high 20% range, or require high frequency, low latency infrastructure. Beginners should still start conservatively and demo thoroughly. Overall, the Gold Beaver EA is a multi-strategy XAUSD system with 12 selectable modes, stop loss on every trade, and no grid or martingale. The shared backtest shows solid growth with meaningful drawdown and low history quality. Independent verification and careful mode selection are essential. Always trade the money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex bot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.